Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the video section. The video section allows you to showcase a featured video on your store, helping you capture attention and connect with your customers. With video content, you can present information in a more dynamic and visually engaging way. It's perfect for highlighting product demos, tutorials, brand stories, or promotional content. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the video section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template, then locate the Video Builder section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings and open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Video section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Video, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the video section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the video section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. If enable this loop video option to have the video automatically replay once it ends, creating a seamless viewing experience without interruptions. Autoplay video enables the video to start playing automatically as soon as the section loads, helping you capture attention instantly. Show Video Controls displays playback options such as play, pause, volume, and full screen, giving users full control over their viewing experience. Disabling this option creates a cleaner and more minimal look. Choose a video from your existing media library or upload a new file directly from your device. You can embed videos hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo by simply pasting the video link. Upload a cover image for better presentation. Add a thumbnail image that appears before the video plays. Enter alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. Provide a short, descriptive text for your video. Match the video section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block includes its own customization options, giving you full flexibility in design. And that's it. Your video section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.